source, we are saying that dew point analyzer and associated accessories. I have put the gas tubings, flanges, flange joints, and associated valves.
Make it one
The
command.
threads.
Dew point, it's a command, right? So don't make it H2S and dew point analyzer as separate. It's analyzer is the command one, right? Okay, inside the different, but you can make it as one
Okay.
skid.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so I will remove this one then.
Put just type the H2S and the slash dew point analyzer.
Oh, fantastic! Very good. So you have reduced my load.
Yeah, it's the
Very
same,
good.
right? So
Yeah,
it's the
yeah. So
same
dew point
reference.
analyzer and stress analyzer
Dew point and H2S analyzer.
and STS. Fantastic. Very good. So I will remove this so that we don't duplicate. Okay. So guys, if you see as standard, so there are many threads. Internal corrosion will be there, of course, and external corrosion for the system will be there. Erosion normally we consider, so let us consider this one. We'll put also the flange gasket leak because there are one flange joint. Overpressure is there because we have got PRS system is there. PRS is there. And vehicle movement, let us keep it because you are going to install this skid nearby the road, nearby the facility on the ground level or little elevated level. So this can be also another threat. Drop object, what do you think, Rakesh? We will remove it, drop object, or we'll keep it?
Subject, okay, because it's a live facility and you're
Yeah.
putting next to the existing pig launcher receivers.
Yeah, let us keep it.
So keep it.
Yeah. And piping stress, maybe tubing stress or
Piping
tubing
stress,
stress.
not, I don't know. Tubing stress, I don't think so. They will do anything.
Tubing stress is not required.
Not required as such.
Okay, fantastic. Good. So good guys. So these are the normal threats for LOPC scenario. And as we have discussed that this can have the toxic and fire and gas explosion.
Mainly, Chairman, here one thing, see this sample probe or tube, so they will take it for anything once they want to take it, they will take the sample probe bottle, team, or how it will be.
No, I think this is online, no? No, not
Online,
simple button. Online, yeah. It's a continuous online 24/7 working.
24/7 working. So
Yeah,
they will
it's
not
not
take
grab
it out
sampling.
for anything. Okay.
No, grab sampling is not here. So they don't use grab sampling, right, Sudip? This is online analyzer continuously.
Yeah, yes, you were right. This will measure continuously, but in design review, I believe asset team